Hello students, I am Irfan Raza. Welcome back to my geography class. Today we are going to continue the remaining topic of the second chapter of class 9th geography. So our today's topic is theory of plate tectonics. In our previous class we have already discussed the meaning of physical features and its formation. So now let us move towards today's topic. Here it is, theory of plate tectonics. As you know, time to time many scientists have attempted to explain the formation of physical features with the help of theories and evidences. One such plausible theories means reasonable theory is the theory of plate tectonics. According to this theory, the Earth's surface or lithosphere has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates that move and interact in various ways. Here the word plate refers to one of the large moving layers of rocks that the Earth's surface is believed to be made of. Let us see and know the name of 7 major plates. Here the first one is Eurasian plate, second one is Indo-Australian plate, third one is African plates, fourth one is North American plates, fifth one is South American plate, sixth one is Pacific plates, seventh one is Antarctic plates. As I mentioned, there are some minor plates also. So let us find out those minor plates. The first one is Somali plate. It is east of Africa. Here it is. Second one is Nazca plate in the eastern Pacific Ocean. This one. Third one is Amurian plate in the eastern Asia. This one. Next one is Philippine Sea plate in the east of Philippines. This one. Next one is Arabian plates, mostly of the Arabian Peninsula. This one. Next one is Caribbean plates, which include the central part of America and Caribbean. This one. So in this way we got that the Earth's surface is made up of these plates. So now let us move towards the next paragraph. Here it is. The movement of plates results in the building up of stresses within the plates and the continental rocks above, leading to Earth's seismic activities like folding, faulting and volcanic activities. So what is the meaning of folding, faulting and volcanic activities? Folding means bend one part of plate over another part. Faulting means a crack in the Earth's crust due to displacement. And volcanic activity means emission of lava and gases. Now what is the next topic? Types of plates movements. As you know, this is the topic. So here you should know that these plates movements are classified into 3 types. Let us see. These are. The first one is convergent, the second one is divergent and third one is transform. One by one we are going to discuss these plates movements. The first one is convergent movement. When two plates come towards each other, as you can see here, two plates coming towards each other, they may either collide or crumble, or one may slide under the other. As you see, one is sliding under the other. So due to this movement, mountains form and earthquake takes place. Now what is the second one? The second one is divergent. So when two plates move apart from each other, here we see two plates are moving apart, leaving a gap between them. It means when they move apart, so a gap is developed. So what happened then? Which filled up with molten rocks, and due to this movement volcanic eruption takes place. Now what is the third one? The third one is transform movement. Actually, in transform movement, what happens? Two plates slide sideways. As you see, two plates are sliding sideways, and in this way what happens? Scrap and deform the rocks. It means the boundary of these two plates are deformed and there is a scrap when they pass each other. So due to this movement also earthquake takes place. Now what happens due to the movement of these plates? Let us find out, or in another word I can say, what is the outcome, what is the result of these movements. The movement of these plates have changed the position and size of the continents over millions of years. Such movements have also influenced the evolution of the present landform features of India. So in this way we have completed the topic types of plates movements. Let us find out what is the next topic. This is the next topic, and here we are going to discuss the formation of Himalaya. In order to understand the formation of Himalaya, first we have to understand Pangaea. And what is Pangaea? So it can be understood with the help of map. See, you can see the map of Pangaea. And what is Pangaea? Actually, Pangaea was a supercontinent in which all the 7 continents of present time were united into a single landmass approximately 335 million years ago. As you can see here, Eurasian plate is here, in which Asia and Europe were included. North America is here, South America, Africa, India, Australia, Antarctica, all the 7 continents were the part of a single landmass, and because of that it was called supercontinent. One more thing you need to know, that is Pangaea, the northern part of Pangaea was called Angara land. Angara land, and the southern part is known as Gondwana land. Gondwana. So in Gondwana land we can say that South America, Africa, India, Australia and Antarctica were included. The supercontinent or Pangaea began to break apart about 175 million years ago. So what happens thereafter? So actually see, this is the second map in which I can say that the Pangaea has been broken into a number of pieces in a number of, you can say, continents. So how this happened? Actually, the convection current means the heat inside the earth which transfer into a gas or liquid from one region to another region has fractured Pangaea into a number of pieces, and because of that present time of world map, as you see, as you know, North America, South America, Africa, Europe, Asia, India and Australia. Now in the first map you see that all the 7 continents were united, but after its breakup they are separated to each other. And how they got separated? Because of convection current. And I mentioned convection current means heat inside the earth transfer in a gas or liquid from one region to another. So the Indo-Australian plate means this one, Indo-Australian plate. Okay, the Indo-Australian plate, after getting separated from Gondwana land, drifted slowly towards the north, and then it collided with the much larger Eurasian plate. Now see how it is. See this one. Here we can understand this is Indo-Australian plate and this is Eurasian plate. So both plates are moving towards each other, and then what happened? The northern edge of the Indo-Australian plate was pushed beneath the Eurasian plate, and under the impact of this collision, the sedimentary rocks which were accumulated in the geosyncline known as the Tethys were folded to form the young fold mountains. See, as I mentioned that these two plates, I mean Indo-Australian plates and Pangaea, both were coming towards each other, and between these two plates there was a geosyncline, means a Tethys. A Tethys was there, and this Tethys having which kind of rocks? Sedimentary rocks which were started to fold, and thereafter the Himalaya formed. As you see here in this map, when two plates pushed each other, then the sedimentary rocks which was lying in the Tethys started to fold, and in this way Himalaya formed, and because of that it is also known as young fold mountains. So in this way we learned how the Himalaya was formed. Now let us find out the next topic. Our next topic is formation of the northern plains. As you see, the northern plains was how northern plains was formed. Actually, the Himalaya, as you got that Himalaya uplift out of the Tethys, and subsidence means gradually sinking of an area of land of the northern flanks, means northern side of the peninsula plateau, which resulted in the formation of large basin. It's mean that when Himalaya was formed, we can imagine that this is Himalaya, this part, okay, this part is Himalaya and this part is peninsula. So between these two there was a large basin, means a large, you can say, depression, a very vast hollow area, and in this way the rivers from both sides, from northern side means from North Himalaya as well as peninsula, they fall in this basin. So what happened? In due course of time, this depression, means sunken landforms, gradually got filled with a deposition of sediments by the rivers flowing from the mountains in the north and the peninsula plateau in the south. See here, as I mentioned that the land between Himalaya and peninsula plateau, there was a large basin, and this large basin got filled with sediments from both side of river, means Himalayan rivers started to falling here and the peninsular river also, and in this way this area got filled with sediments, and finally what happened? A flat, you see here, a flat land of extensive alluvial deposit led to the formation of the northern plains of India. In this way we completed our today's topic, the formation of the northern plains also. Now in this way what we notice? We notice that the land of India displayed great physical variation. Now see, yes, this is the last paragraph. So in this way we notice that the land of India displays great physical variation. First, the Peninsular Plateau of India is one of the oldest landmass of the Earth's surface. The second, the Himalayan mountains are the recent formation of landforms, and the third, northern plains are formed of alluvial deposits and best source of cultivation of different crops. Thus we completed our today's topic. In next video we will discuss the major physiographic division. Till then, goodbye.